Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video, I'm going to share a very lovely thing with you that is going to be useful for you in your programming and development career, that you can use um, the VBA to automate the things, right? And you can, so most of the time sometimes you mm, encounter a need, necessity to quickly uh, have some help for the fast typing. For example, I give you an example. As I showed you in our previous video, you have a wide range of variables, mm, in which you have uh, in your VBA. This is just just suppose that it is taken from the VBA. Let's go to the VBA. I take it to you. I take you to the VBA. For example, this one. Okay. So just suppose that there are uh, plenty of variables, and for example, take this. Okay. Don't think that these are just 4 or 5. Some in many times you have plenty of such statements. This equal to this equal to this equal to this. Right? A is equal to B, A is equal to B, A is equal to like this, right? And sometimes you want to reverse that. You want to reverse them, means you bring this, so you have to type it. VP city is equal to this, VP state is equal to this, VP zip. So that is going to be very time consuming, especially when you have plenty of rows to handle, right? So Excel, with the slightest use of Excel, right, you can automate it and quickly do it, right? Let's make a copy of it. We have press Control C here, and we go to a new instance, for example. Yeah, and here we type it as a text. We paste it as a text, right? As a text, right? So since it has memorized it, that it has so let's close it. Let's close it. Close this book from here, so that it does not automatically parse the things, right? So I would like to close this book, unsave, okay? And I would like to create a new, open a new blank workbook, right? And would like to paste it here, right? And Excel is actually repeating the things which you have just done, right? So it is normally written as if as a normal thing, right? For example, if we insert a worksheet, or if we insert a text box, for example, right? So there you will see how the paste is going, which is going like this, right? And this is the actual thing, right? And if you copy it, Control C, right? And you want to bring it in an Excel sheet, right? And you paste it, so you have the equal sign in here, right? Now, just suppose that these are not just a few things, these are hundreds rows, and you want to swap them around. Means bring the BPCT towards the left of the equal sign, and get this variable, this class dot VPCT to the right of the cell. Means you are, this is the form field. The form field is being moved to the class. Now you want the class value to be moved to the form field. So what would you do? And these are hundreds of the things, right? For some time, for a larger application, you might have plenty of the rows on which you have to swap them around, right? So the first thing is that you convert it, the whole data of hundreds of the rows, whatever, into, go to the and convert them into the columns, right? And it will give you this screen, and in which you delimit. And the delimiter is, of course, you know, this equal to sign. If it is normally shown as a blank, you put an equal to sign so that you have the two things side by side in two columns, right? And now you finish it. And now you want this to be on the left side and this on to the right side. So all you need to do is ask Excel to concatenate these two things. It's better you use a space so that it looks good. Otherwise, the VBA editor will handle it automatically, right? So this time it is reversed, right? And you copy it downwards. And I am again saying, don't suppose that these are a few rows. You might get a situation in which there are 40, 50 rows, and you want to quickly swap them around, means make it upside down, make it the left thing comes to the right and the right thing comes to the left, right? So you have actually copied it, and you copy it from here and get back to, you can get back to the code. In the code, you can paste it here, right? So this is, I wanted to share it with you that you can use Excel to help you out in the typing of the code, uh, and uh, and using a bit of the Excel skills, like which are the data, converting data from text to column, delimiting, and then bringing it back and put the a set of the instruction back to the VBA. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. This is, and I appreciate this idea. Thank you very much, and see you in the next week.